If you want to add a video into your video, this is the way to do it. We're gonna select this segment right here, and then we're gonna tap on the plus sign, and I'm gonna select this video. This is the important stuff that you have to take care of. So you have these options, and you can add a video with this, and then the video is gonna be only half and half, as you can see right here. So that's one way to add a video into another video. I'm gonna delete this one, and the other way that you can add a video is this one right here, and I like this one better because it only adds a little video into the video. So but in this case it doesn't have the same length. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna select the added video, tap and drag, and then we're gonna go to the end of the segment, and we're gonna let's say cut this part, delete, and then we're gonna adjust, and we're gonna leave it like that. But as you can see, let's say that I don't like how it looks because it's on top of my face. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna select the video, and then we're gonna tap on this icon right here, and we only have to tap and drag. You can make it bigger, you can make it smaller with 2 fingers at the same time, and then you can position the video where you like better, and then you have to tap again on this icon, and then the video is gonna be in a different place, and also it's gonna have the size that you like. Thanks for your time, and if you want to support this channel, I'm gonna leave some links in the description.